YouTube? It's your boy, TitanicFeet Jack, back at you again with another video. And as usual, I got that heat on deck. But before we get into today's heat, I'd like to send a shout out to the TF gang. Appreciate y'all for subbing, coming back, checking out the content. We had 1,200 subs last time I checked. We on that charge to 2K, so continue subbing, spreading the word, commenting, smashing that thumbs up button on the videos. It is greatly appreciated. And if this is your first time seeing one of my videos and you would like to become part of the TF Gang family, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button and you'll become part of the family. We'll welcome you with open arms. Also, hit that notification bell so you will be notified every time I drop a video right here on this YouTube channel. And I need for everybody. When I say everybody, I mean everybody. All 1,200 plus, all the new people. Smash that thumbs up button. Let's make that algorithm go crazy. Let YouTube know who we are. Let them know who the TF Gang family is. So this word can get spread out through everybody on YouTube. Getting into today's sneaker, you see a regular orange and white Nike box. You know, nothing spectacular. Let's go ahead and read the label. It says Nike Don't Glow SP, color black, nori ceramic, size 14, personal pair, price $100 US. Let's go ahead and get these bad boys out of the box. Looking inside the box lid, no stamp or sticker. We got that paper, some regular tissue paper. And we got the Nike Don't Glow ceramics. Yes, Lord. Y'all a good look at these. Pretty nice shoe. Y'all know what's about to happen. I'm about to get the other shoe out the box. Gonna give y'all that 360 view like I do here on this channel. And we're gonna discuss this when I come back with you. After these messages, I'll be right back. You heard me? Guys, we're back here with the Nike Don't Glow ceramic. This sneaker is a retro of the original that came out in 2001, which is part of the uglyducklingpack. This one is the last one to retro this year. A couple weeks ago we had the Veneer, and earlier this year we had the Plum. All of these sneakers were Japan exclusives, came out in 2001. And Nike decided to retro these, and I'm very happy and honored to have these in my collection. But getting into the sneaker, looking at the upper of the sneaker, you have that ceramic colorway right here, going on your laces and around your mudguard. In a nice short grain of suede, just pretty good. You have that noir green Nike swoosh on your upper. You have your black color blocking right here. Looking at your midsole, you got a white midsole, that dunk midsole. And looking at the very bottom, you have that ceramic colorway, which lays to the outsole. Your outsole is all ceramic. It's one color. It's that ceramic colorway on your outsole. I'm looking at my pair. I got a couple little glue stains and stuff on them. And these days, I don't know, the shoes aren't coming out. Nike's quality control. I got another glue stain here on your midsole. But looking at the back of the sneaker, you have that noir green heel tab with Nike stitched in black On top of that black with your off noir, with your noir green Nike swoosh coming around from the other side. You have that ceramic colorway right here as well, and that short grain of suede. Nice little grain. This is mesh material right here, that black. Getting at the inside of the sneaker. Like I was saying, you have that noir green Nike swoosh coming around from the other side. You got that black color panel with the ceramic going around the sneaker, down the laces, and your mud guard. Black color blocking. You got that white midsole with the ceramic at the very bottom, which leads to the outsole. And another glue stain. Goodness gracious. Looking at the toe box, we got a nice grain of suede on the toe box. Black toe box. Comes with the noir green flat laces. This is the only pair of laces these came with. Came factory laces with the noir green laces. Got a mesh tongue with the Nike patch stitched on, black patch with your noir green Nike and the swoosh on here. Looking at the back of the tongue, you know, just that information, that message. Let's go ahead and get this out of here. You got come stuff with the tissue. Yep, comes with that tissue. Your donks come like that pretty much. Looking at your insole, you got a ceramic color insole, Nike in black. You got your size and sticker. You have your ceramic color sock liner. Let's see if we can get a look at that sizing tag. Size 14, production date, May 27th of this year to July 21st of this year. So about 2 months or a month and 3 weeks, however you want to slice it. That's what we have on the production date. Comment below, guys. Let me know, what do you think of these sneakers? Did you cop them? Did you even try? And what is your favorite pair of the dunks that came in the Ugly Duckling pack? Let me know that in the comment section. I struck out on sneakers with these, but I was able to double up for retail on the Veneers. So I kept one pair, I sold them, and that provided me the money I needed to buy these ceramics. So I have 2 of the 3 of the Ugly Duckling pack. Probably won't be able to get the Plum because I'm not going to pay that price. That price is kind of up there, a hefty price tag for my size. So let me know if y'all got all 3 pairs of the Ugly Duckling pack. Let me know if you got these. Tell me what you think of them. Tell me what you think of the video in the comment section. And in closing, if y'all can help somebody get a sneaker, I always tell y'all, help them get that sneaker. Because you never know when it will be your turn to need some help to get a sneaker. I'm TitanicFeet Jack. I'm signing out.